your English voice with could have. Could is the past tense of the verb can. We use could have done to talk about the past. The short form is could have. Let's look at some example sentences. I was so tired I could have slept for a week. I could have had a nice day if it hadn't been raining. The situation was bad, but it could have been worse. Another example. I could have asked her advice, but I didn't want to bother her. Now we will look at the negative form. We use couldn't to say that something would not be possible. For the past, we use couldn't have done. Let's look at some examples. We did so well. We couldn't have done a better job. Joe couldn't have gone on holiday because he was ill. The party was great. I couldn't have had more fun. And our last example, we couldn't have known what he was planning.